Okay. Hey guys, it's Jaden. I'm going to be doing a what's in my groom bag tutorial. So this is my groom bag, and it has, I think, 4 pockets just along the edges, and then one big one in the middle, so 5. Let's get started. I have a shedding blade. There's a side for the end of shedding season and a side for the beginning, and it opens. It works really well. Yeah. I have mane and tail conditioner, but it actually says Cantor mane and tail conditioner, and it works just as well as Shoshin. I like it. I have Detangler, that's meant for kids, and both of these things missed, but I'm not going to do it because I don't really want to waste it and get it on my floor. It makes it slippery. I have a botfly knife, which is perfect for summer. You get really bad sometimes. And I have basically 3 clearing combs, one for when you're bathing, one for the legs, and then one just for normal Korean. I have my pine tar hoof polish for to make the horse's hooves tougher, and I also have a brush for it. And I have 2 hoof picks, one's green and one's blue. This one has bristles, and I like to use this one more. I have just a comb for kind of like the forelock and the mane, and then I just have a mane and tail brush. And then it leaves us to the last 2 things, which are my dandy brush and my body brush. I got most of the stuff at Green Hawk except for the shedding blade, but you can get shedding blades at Green Hawk. This one was actually meant for dogs, but it was just cheaper at the time, and I got this from Shoppers, and I got these 2 things from my neighbors because she has countless hoof picks and stuff like that. So, yeah, if you could give us a like, comment down below, and subscribe, we'll be sure to check out your account and subscribe back. Thanks for watching.